Welcome to our channel. Today, we're transforming your bedroom into a sanctuary of peace and well-being. We'll explore 7 remarkable indoor plants that thrive in bedrooms. These plants are more than just beautiful. They contribute to a healthier living space. Imagine waking up to fresh, purified air, surrounded by nature's beauty. Let's discover how these 7 plants can turn your bedroom into a haven of tranquility. Stay tuned. First on our list is the resilient and elegant snake plant. This plant is not only visually appealing but also incredibly functional. Known for its sword-like leaves, the snake plant is a champion air purifier. Its unique foliage adds a touch of nature to any room, making it a popular choice for interior decor. It filters toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, promoting a healthier sleeping environment. These harmful chemicals are often found in household products, and the snake plant helps to neutralize them. It also releases oxygen at night, improving air quality. Unlike most plants that release oxygen during the day, the snake plant continues to purify the air even while you sleep. This makes the snake plant an ideal bedroom companion. Its presence can contribute to a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. It thrives in low-light conditions and requires minimal watering. This low-maintenance plant is perfect for those who may not have a green thumb or a lot of time for plant care. The snake plant's quiet strength enhances your well-being while you sleep. Its calming presence can help reduce stress and create a serene atmosphere. Envision it as a guardian of pure air, creating a revitalizing space. By incorporating a snake plant into your bedroom, you are investing in a healthier, more peaceful living environment. Next, we invite the soothing aroma of lavender into our bedrooms. Lavender's delicate purple blooms and calming fragrance promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Its aroma calms the mind and eases tension. Place your lavender plant near a window for sunlight and a gentle breeze. Lavender transforms your sleep space into a haven of tranquility. Enjoy restful nights and brighter mornings with lavender. Aloe vera is a low-maintenance, beneficial plant. Known for its healing gel, aloe vera treats minor burns and skin irritations. It also purifies the air, contributing to a healthier atmosphere. Aloe vera thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and requires minimal watering. Its presence enhances your space aesthetically and functionally. Welcome aloe vera for a touch of healing greenery. Enjoy cleaner air and natural remedies at your fingertips. Let's welcome the elegant peace lily into our bedrooms. With glossy leaves and white blooms, it symbolizes peace and purity. The peace lily improves indoor air quality by removing toxins. It thrives in low to medium light and requires minimal watering. Its presence elevates your bedroom's ambiance. Transform your sleep space into a serene haven with the peace lily. Enjoy restful nights and a sense of calm. Imagine your bedroom filled with the sweet aroma of jasmine. Jasmine promotes relaxation and improves sleep quality. Its fragrance calms the mind and eases tension. Place jasmine near a window for sunlight and nighttime fragrance. Jasmine adds romance and elegance to your bedroom. Transform your sleep space into a haven of relaxation with jasmine. Bring lush greenery into your bedroom with the Boston fern. It balances humidity levels, essential for restful sleep. The Boston fern also purifies the air, removing toxins. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers moist soil. Regular misting keeps its fronds lush and vibrant. Transform your bedroom into a tranquil haven with the Boston fern. Enjoy a more comfortable and revitalizing environment. Finally, welcome the playful spider plant, a delightful addition to any home. This charming plant not only adds a touch of whimsy, but also purifies the air, removing harmful toxins like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde, making your living space healthier. The spider plant thrives in various conditions from low light to bright indirect light, and is incredibly easy to care for, making it perfect for both novice and experienced plant owners. Its cascading spiderets, which are small offshoots that dangle from the mother plant, add visual interest and a sense of movement, creating a dynamic and lively atmosphere. To keep your spider plant happy, place it in bright, indirect light and water it when the soil feels dry to the touch. This ensures it remains vibrant and healthy. The spider plant not only purifies the air but also adds a sense of joy and life to your bedroom, making it a more inviting and pleasant space. Transform your sleep space into a haven of tranquility and relaxation with the addition of a spider plant. Its presence can help create a serene and peaceful environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a healthier, happier bedroom. Creating a serene and inviting space where you can unwind and recharge is essential for your well-being. Choosing plants that resonate with you elevates your living space. Each plant has its own personality and charm, making your bedroom not just a place to sleep, but a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Incorporating plants into your bedroom is an act of self-care. The simple act of watering and tending to your plants can be a meditative practice, helping you to slow down and connect with nature. Each plant brings unique energy and benefits to your sleep sanctuary. From purifying the air to adding a touch of natural beauty, plants can transform your bedroom into a restful retreat. Like this video and subscribe for more tips on creating a healthier living space. Your support helps us bring you more content to inspire and guide you on your journey to a more vibrant home. Until next time, may your homes be filled with joy and vibrant energy. Remember, a little greenery can go a long way in making your space feel more alive and welcoming.